Good morning. It is another gorgeous day here in Florida. I will not get tired of that view. Morning. Good morning. We're on a monorail by half ourselves. So we got these cool dividers up. We're on our way to Magic Kingdom. The first time in exactly 8 months, 9 months.
November.
So December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 8.
Yeah.
December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 8 months. I'm so excited.
Hey baby, you're gonna have to hop on to the Magic Kingdom.
I will not cry, I will not cry.
Castle's beautiful, guys.
It is gorgeous. Anybody?
If you don't like it, the paint color, you're wrong. That's all I have to say.
It definitely looks different than it does in pictures.
But it stands out, it pops out, like it literally, the gold like just brings it out.
I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it.
It looks so much more magical than the bland other colors that they had.
Whoops, sorry, not
Oops.
sorry. Oh, Mike, we gotta get a churro while we're here today.
No! No dirt sticks today.
Alright, so we are just leaving Space Mountain, ooh, butterfly, and going into Fantasyland just to see what the crowd level is like here. The answer? Non-existent.
Not a lot of people.
There's nobody here. So all of our friends that were concerned about us coming down to Florida, don't be concerned, because there's literally nobody here. Okay, this is like the congestion central.
Well, this is the most narrow, one of the narrower spots.
And there's nobody here.
5 minutes.
Mike's favorite ride, 5 minutes.
Still won't wait 5 minutes.
Yes, you will.
Nope.
Yes, you will.
I'm going into Small World instead.
Small World, 5 minutes.
Also 5 minutes. I'm smiling. You can't see it.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses,
best remove them.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Nobody on it.
There's not.
Up in the back.
As always, wearing brand by you. So we just got off Pirates. Again, another very congested spot is not so congested. So we are gonna head back to the hotel, relax without masks on for a little bit, get hydrated, maybe go swimming. We're definitely coming back to the parks before they close at 7. And then we're going to Disney Springs tonight to meet up with internet friends for the first time and have some chicken, guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So excited.
We're going to Flavor Town.
We're
going to Flavor Town.
So, thank you guys so much for following along on our crazy adventure here in Magic Kingdom. We hope you enjoyed it. Give us a big thumbs up. Let us know what ride you're looking forward to riding when you get back to the parks. And make sure you're subscribed. And we will see you on the next one. Bye. Tron, 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 Tron.